Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. Remember, if you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. This morning in my classes, quite a lot of the talk was about the fact that Russia has announced it's going to hold bogus, sham referendums in some of the Ukrainian territories that it's managed to occupy over recent years. And presumably the idea is, once they've announced the results of the pseudo-referendums, the Kremlin will then claim that these lands now form part of Russia, and any Ukrainian counter-offensive aimed at liberating the occupied territories will be deemed to be an attack on Russia itself, which supposedly will therefore justify some more kind of, violent response from Russia. And this whole argument is clearly nonsensical. I mean, Russia already claims that Crimea is part of Russia, and yet Ukraine's already been carrying out counter-offensive attacks on Russian munition dumps and so on Crimea without any nuclear reprisals thus far. I think basically the whole argument is just never going to wash with European and American leaders. In other words, they're not going to buy this argument. I mean, if you follow Putin's logic, what's to stop him from claiming, for example, that Riga, say, is also part of Russia, or Warsaw, for example, is also part of Russia, and that any attack on these new Russias or the new Russian borders are somehow an attack on Russia itself? If you say that something's not going to wash with someone, a claim or an explanation or an excuse or an attitude doesn't wash or isn't going to wash with someone, you basically mean it's going to be unacceptable, it's not going to be believed by people, it's not going to be accepted by people. So a student might have a terrible excuse for why they haven't done their homework. You know, a kind of, I did my homework but the dog ate it kind of excuse. And you might tell them, listen, those kinds of excuses might have worked with your last teacher, but they don't wash with me. Maybe you're in a new work environment and the boss tells everybody, listen, don't think that you're going to get any credit without doing the work here. That kind of thing doesn't wash round here. And maybe a friend of yours has been taken in by a particularly suave and charming man who you have real doubts about. And you might respond by saying, listen, sorry, but all of that charm doesn't wash with me. I still think the guy's a creep. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use doesn't wash or won't wash or isn't going to wash with